Welcome to episode 5, and I'm going to do the game world. I'm going to finish the game world off. How about that? So let's add a file, a new item. Header file, please. And we're just going to call it goal because mushroom, I'll probably mess up that. So there's our goal. The goal of the game is to eat as many mushrooms as possible. As you're about to notice, I don't have the graphics for a mushroom. Don't matter to me. It's not going to stop me doing it. Goal.cpp, get inventive. Blades, get inventive. So let's see where we are. Hash include. And just simple setup goal, please. Thank you. There we go. Save that. And what are we going to need? The includes. Well, I'm guessing it's going to be the same includes as everything else around here. Let's have a look at what we've got on player. Mass, entities, APIs, blah blah blah. Yep, that'll do. We'll take that lot. So it includes from player.h. Interesting. Yes, because it's an entity. Anybody who knows how to program C++ knows that as soon as you do something like that, you know that entity could be done better. You see a cut and copy or cut and paste, you know there's something that can be done a lot better. For this demonstration model of a game, I'm not really that fussy because we're not after speed conquests or anything like that. It's a bit of fun. So there we go, we got a goal. Play.h, goodbye. Now let's start with something. I've forgotten how to write these things already. Christmas, you've done too much to me, alcohol. Right, let's write it. I'm going to have a singular goal. I'm not going to do multiple. So, Amber, entities, let's have a singular goal. And it's an entity, of course. And it's just going to be m_goal. Nothing surprising there. Anything else we're going to need? We are going to need to hold nothing else. That's it, as far as I can think of for now. Yeah, okay, we'll go with that. Public. And it's going to be goal. Open brackets. What can we put in here? Amber. API. And what do we need first? We need the loader, don't we? So that's the data loader. And we'll just take the address. We know it's available in graphics. Remember, this is the last thing that we had to put into our graphics class. So we've already got that. What else have we got in there? We've got the OBJ loader. So let's put that in. And that is model loaders, please. I'll have the OBJ loader, and it's just going to be and OBJ loader. Simple enough. Nothing fantastic going on here. In fact, it's nothing fantastic going on in any part of this. There's a destructor for you. Right, all we need to do is have the ability to add the goal. Yeah, okay. So void, add a goal, open brackets, and it's going to be a position. That's the only thing it's going to need. Yep, that'll do. Getters and setters. We will need them, won't we? Yes. So what have we got? Get goal. And set goal. Do we need its position? Probably. Not sure. Amber. Yes, we do need its position. We need to be able to detect collisions. Entities. So the first one is going to be get goal. And that is just going to be a const. Open brackets. Return. M_goal. Nothing surprising so far. We've seen this now a couple of times at least. So if you are trying to learn from this, that's fine. I don't mind. Vec3 I want for this one. It's repetition of the same structure each time. Every time I do one of these, I'm just doing the same thing over and over again with different words. I mean, really, it's not that bad. C++ programming is a lot of patience, really. Just typing in the same ideas over and over again. Goal. And it's going to be get position, please. There we go. That's how we get the position. Anything else we need on there? Nah, not for now. Let's do some setters just in case we need them. And the only setter I'm going to do is void set goal position. Oh, you can tell it's Christmas time. I'm coughing. Shouldn't be coughing. Set goal position again. Very, very simple. Amber. Oh, go on. Forgotten what I'm doing. Setting a position vec3. Whoops. Position. I should do that. Can't see any problems with that. And that is just going to be M_player. You see? Goal. And it's going to be set position. And that's just going to be whatever position they gave us. So that's position. There we are. Nicely done. I think that's everything I'm going to need. Yeah. I'm just going to empty these because I don't want to be doing anything special. Nothing special going on in the constructor. We don't want to keep any of that lot, so no need for anything there. Well, there's going to be one at least, and that's going to be delete. And mgoal. We know we're going to have to delete it at some stage. Oh, that deletion thing about news and others. Yeah, I do want to readdress that. Because I was hesitating in our last episode, and I've come to the conclusion that I shouldn't have done. I should have just ignored my feelings and gone with what should be done rather than think about it. And I thought about it, and I've decided that I shouldn't have thought about it. Yeah, it's stupid, isn't it? You can overthink a problem, and of course that will just make a mess. So when we come to add the goal, I'm just going to readjust that graphics to what it should be, not what I try to second guess myself into it being. Yeah, I know. Bad news. So we know what we're doing in here. We're going to create a new goal. And let's see now. Let's get my notes up. I know how to do this. It's better if I use my notes and do it properly. Yep, that'll do me. I'm happy with the notes. That's my cat. Please shut up, cat. I don't know. It likes to scream for attention. So let's get our models going. What we're going to need first, base model. Yeah, we are. And we'll call it goal model. We could actually just copy and paste this from a different place, but I'll do it in full. And it's going to be obj loader. And put that there. And it's going to be a load model. Or load obj model. I don't have one. I'll use the head again, I think. Yeah, why not? And that's just a loader, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. That's that done. Now we need a texture. We know how to do this already. That's models. Model textured. And we're going to call this goal textured. Oh dear. Goal textured equals. No, it isn't equals. It's the way we set it up differently, isn't it? I wish I hadn't done that now. It's goal model. And then we comma. And we do all of our strange stuff with loader. Loader dot load texture, please. I'll keep it blue. No reason to change the colour on it. I don't think I've got a colour. So if I put it green, it'll go into the background. Gold might be a problem with the segments. Head blue. Yeah, okay. I'll keep that. Now we can make it, can't we? Yeah. So m underscore goal equals a new entity, doesn't it? So it's amber entity open brackets, and it's going to be goal textured. Then we want its position, which is a vec3 open inverted thingamajiggies. Where do I want to put it? I want to put it in front of the start place for the head. So the first goal is easy to get. It doesn't matter where you put it. You can put it anywhere you want. I just want it in a standard position so it's not going to mess anything up. Not pointing at what I feel. I don't want to raise it above the ground at all, like we did with the head. There we go. So 15x, nothing above the ground, so it's half up above the ground, half below the ground. 20 down into the map, so 20z, as it were. Does that look right? Yeah, that looks right. Sorry, it's me. I'm thinking ahead. Rotation X. I want one. I want to rotate it by -90 degrees, please. I just want to see the top of it, the front bit. I don't want to see the back bit. Thank you. So it'll look different. So it looks different. That's a good way of putting it. You're seeing it from a different angle, so it'll look different. There you go. That's me just being inventive with the models that I've got. Scale of 1. Yeah, that's right. All done. That's our model. It's not fitting on. Can we get the whole line, please? No, we can't. So I'll take comma. I'll do that. And that should do. There we go. That's the whole line now, you can see it. There we go. Happy, happy, joy, joy. So we've already put delete goal in. Not really much else to do with this class. I'm not going to initialize it because there's no need to. The constructor does that for us. Add goal is just setting a position, isn't it? Really? Yeah. So it's just set position, repeated. Okay. Goal. What am I doing? Is that one? So I can just copy it. Ta-da! All we're doing is setting a new position for the goal when we add it. So it may look as though it gets taken off and put somewhere else, like deleted from one space and goes to another space, but actually it's just the same model being transported, well, being repositioned. It's a lot easier to think about it that way, I think. So taking the same goal and just repositioning it. Yeah, okay. Now we've got that, we can get back to our graphics. And we can now do that because we have it. And we can now do that because we have it. That's okay, that's okay. That's okay, still don't know about those. So that's graphics.h done. In graphics CPP, we need a new one. Comes after player. Here we go. So here we go, we can put it in here. So m_goal equals a new goal, open brackets, and what do we want here? Loader and we want those two there. Same as player. Happy, happy, joy, joy, done that. Now I do want to delete these, and it's goal at the top, isn't it? Goal is the last thing that we make. So we'll delete our goal. See, I was second guessing myself last time and I didn't really like it. Delete, what's underneath there? Map. But now I've put goal in, I know I have to delete it. And delete, it was this one that I was thinking about because it's segmented. And I think we're okay with that now. So I've got all our deletions in for those 3 news, that's better. I'm more in tune with it doing it that way than any other. Down here, we just need to register the goal. Okay, we can stop testing now, we know it works. Registering the goal is, well, registering the goal. m_master renderer, and it's process entity open, and it's, well, let's see, star m_goal, and it's pointer to get goal. There we go. That is it. And I'll run that. Hopefully I did it right. Oh, bless. There we go. And as you can see, at 20, we've got this little pokey semi-pyramid, which is half of the front of that facing upwards. And that's our goal. We need to run over that, and then a segment will appear. So, and that will then move, and then we go to the next. We go after the next one, and when we run over the next one, another segment will appear. Simple, really. It's quite nice. It's a nice first game to do is the snake game, because it's nice and, well, simple. So in case you missed anything, that's our goal. That's the Pragma Once all the way to the bottom. Nothing special in there. It's pretty simple. And that's goal in its entirety there. Yeah, it is that simple just to place an object into our scene. You can make it, go over to graphics and add it. And just looking now back at graphics, all we've done is we've taken out the bit that we didn't need and we're putting the bit that we did need. And that, funnily enough, is our graphics complete. Yeah, that's it. For the rest of the game, that will never change. What will change is where things are. It's all about movement now. Movement and the game rules will help. So I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. We've spent 21 minutes on it. It was a bit of a rush one, but hey-ho. I just thought I'd get this out of the way with now rather than at the end when we didn't really need it. So, catch you in the next episode. Take care and have fun.